Hey everyone, welcome back to HCT Tech. Have you ever faced a situation where your photos or videos were shared online without your permission? Or maybe you've seen it happen to someone else? In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove your private photos or videos from the internet. Method number 1. Removing your leaked photos or videos from Facebook and Instagram. First, go to stopandshare.org. This is a special website that helps people remove their photos or videos if they were shared online without their permission. One of the best features of stopandshare.org is that it allows you to change the website language according to your preference. If you feel more comfortable using Urdu, you can easily switch the language on the site. Create an account or provide your details. Upload the photos or videos you want to be removed from the internet. The platform uses unique technology to create a digital fingerprint of your content. This fingerprint is shared with social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to ensure your content cannot be re-uploaded. Stopandshare.org makes it easy to take action against the misuse of your personal photos and videos while protecting your privacy. Method number 2. Removing your leaked photos or videos from Google. If your photos or videos are showing up on Google, you can use their removal request tool. This tool ensures that if someone searches for your name, those images or videos won't appear in search results. Google also has a feature called Results About You, where you can monitor your personal information and set alerts. These alerts notify you if new content with your name appears in search results. Method number 3. Help from Pakistan's Cybercrime Wing. In Pakistan, the FIA Cybercrime Wing provides a special desk to help victims of such incidents. If someone has leaked your private photos or videos, first copy the link of the content and save it. This link will be crucial for tracking down the offender, even if the content gets deleted. The cybercrime team examines the link to locate the IP address of the person who shared the content. You can file a complaint by visiting their office, calling them, or submitting an online complaint. After you file the complaint, the cybercrime team starts working on it within 24 hours to remove the content from social media. Important tips. 1. Never share leaked content with anyone or help spread it further. 2. If you see such content online, report it immediately. Your privacy is very important. Use these tools and resources to stay safe on the internet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thank you.